Since we've gone over the keyword research and how to place those keywords correctly in your YouTube video title and description, now when you launch your video, let's talk about how to rank higher. Because when you launch your video, there's already, in almost all topics, there's already a lot of existing videos. So how do you rank higher and above them? And that actually really starts during the planning of your video and right after launch. That's the process. So you have to plan to have your video be better than what's existing out there. And so you got to watch existing videos to see what are they doing right, what can you do better or different or more interesting. Because view time, total minutes or percent, of course this depends on the length of your videos, and longer videos, they do a little better in this because they do have more minutes watched. So you have to make sure that when you launch your videos, people are going to engage, watch more of your videos than competitors. Of course, YouTube doesn't tell you how long your competitor videos are being viewed, but you just have to approximate and make sure that yours are objectively better, sometimes by getting external feedback from your friends and family. Similarly, things that are immediately going to help you rank higher are upvotes on your videos, comments that people leave, social sharing people do. And this is people sharing when they click the share button on YouTube, and you immediately posting on your Twitter, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, everywhere. The same thing with website embedding. Let me show you what I mean by that. This is a random music video that I'm watching now, but look, this is the share button that YouTube wants you to use, and you can share a link or you can embed it anywhere you want. And here's what I was talking about when I mentioned embedding on your website. This is essentially my blog, and it's just a blog post, but you see how it's basically a video in a blog post, nothing more, nothing less. You've seen it a million times on the internet, so don't overthink it. But this, and on your site, on sites like Quora, we'll be going over that later in the course, on day one and continuously, wherever you can post it without spamming, and by that I mean without being too aggressive and inappropriate. As long as it's appropriate, keep posting, keep embedding it everywhere you can. So all these things are going to result in more views. You want to get a lot of views out of the gate. You can do views from your own promotion. As you grow your YouTube channel, you're going to get views from your subscribers. But in the beginning, views are hard to get. So you have to share more, promote more, place your video in more places. Another way to get views is actually to buy views from YouTube ads. You can literally get views for a penny a view. We'll be going over how to do that later in the course. So essentially, you want to do as many of these as possible so that you start ranking organically quickly. And the acceleration and recency of all of these signals are a ranking factor. So the stronger you are out of the gate on day one with your video, the higher the chance is that it's going to rank and stay up in the rankings, given that it's a good video, better or competitive with your competitors. So those are all the things we're going to work on. So in the upcoming videos, we're going to be going over how to maximize all of these signals so that your marketing is the strongest in your niche.